Hi, today we're going to be making air fryer tater tots. I have a smaller 3.5 quart air fryer and a larger 6 quart air fryer. Which one is better? It doesn't matter. They both work great. You can use whatever size you want. The most important part of air frying tater tots is to make sure you cook them in a single layer. So I'm going to go ahead and lightly spray the base of the air fryer with a good high flash point oil like grapeseed oil or avocado oil, or maybe even a little olive oil is okay. And the most important thing is to make sure that the tater tots are in a single layer. And these are frozen directly from the freezer, so they're nice and hard. And the cooking time is based on the fact that they are hard and frozen. So you can see how just shake it a little bit and how they are not touching. Make sure there's space between them so that the air can flow in between the little individual tater tots and make them super crispy. I'm going to go ahead and air fry it at 400 for about 5 to 8 minutes, and that depends on how big the your tater tots are and what size. So start with about 5 minutes, cook it, and then you can always add a few minutes or more if you need to. Okay, here we are, the first 5 minutes. You want to give it a nice shake. So they're looking for really good, really good. So you can, at this point, you can decide if you want them a little more crispy, add about another 3 minutes or 2 minutes. Again, you know, every air fryer cooks differently, and all tater tots all have different kind of sizes and shapes. So you're going to have to test this based on the tater tots that you buy and your air fryer. So I like mine a little more crispy, so I'm going to add it for about another 3 minutes. Wow, they look really great. It's super hot, you gotta let it cool. But this is the crispy texture that I really like. Really nice and crunchy on the outside. So this is the first batch. If you're gonna cook a second batch that's back to back, it's gonna not take as long because obviously the air fryer's been preheated already. So you're gonna have to probably just maybe try cooking it again for about 5 minutes. You might not need that additional time. And the same goes if you're starting with a preheated air fryer. Let's say you were cooking another dish or potatoes or a vegetable in it, and you want to cook the tater tots back to back. The same concept applies, just add a little bit less time. So give it a shake, let it cool, and ready to eat. And check out all of our awesome air fry recipes at bestrecipebox.com. And if you want this tater tot recipe, just go to the search bar and search tater tots. Thanks and enjoy!